Good morning, everyone. This is Ahmed speaking to you of Forex Trading Signal, and welcome to the daily technical and fundamental analysis. So, as usual, guys, I will start from the weekly time frame, and on the weekly time frame, you can see that there is a support level at 1824.36, and there is support level also at 1852.83. So if the price did break the first level, it is going to target the next level. However, on the resistance area, we have two resistance area. We have 1879.53 and we have 1890.27. So if the price break 1890.27, it's going to continue to go up. Now drilling down to the daily time frame, you can see that there is a flag button on the daily time frame. However, on the 4-hour time frame, it's different. It's changing. So you can see that there is flag button here, and this is a continuation button. So last week we did break that on daily basis. However, the price was not able to continue to target the next level and started to support at 1852.83. So you can see here at daily basis that we have a blue candle and it's a rejection candle from buyers. That means the price might bounce back and go up again. Coming back to the 4-hour time frame, if you remove this flag button and if you draw a resistance levels and support levels, you can see now that there is an expanding triangular and that might drive the price to go up if it does break 1872.21. So going back to the fundamental analysis, the most important and the most highly impact data today, it's the CPI data coming out from the USA. That is very important indicator. So if you see guys that these numbers here is going to come green or positive, the gold price will go down. If you see that those data are appearing like negative data, the gold price will go up significantly. So you got to be careful with this data. On the other side, other indicators, this indicator is going to come 5:30 p.m. Abu Dhabi time. For the other indicators, for the sterling bound, we have the average earning index today and we have the unemployment rate. So, however, this is a low impact indicator, the unemployment rate. But if you see a significant number change, that will impact the market. You have also from the Eurozone, the flash GDP, that is low impact indicator, but however, if you see a significant number change here, that might drive the market significantly. So at the end, guys, this is the daily technical and the fundamental analysis for today. And I have left for you some figures and area supports and resistance and picture for those indicators. So we'll keep reminding you guys in pictures. No issues with that. So hopefully this will be useful for you guys. Thank you very much for watching this and see you on next analysis video later.